Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another travel video. Please like and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. Kovai Kutralam is a scenic spot with a gentle waterfall originating on the Siruvani hill ranges. It is located on the western Ghat mountain range that lies to the west of this city at a distance of about 32 kilometers from Coimbatore. The Siruvani Dam is just above this waterfall and this place is under the control of State Forest Department. Permission has to be sought from them to visit this Kovai Kutralam Falls. Limited bus service is available from the city and this area is out of bounds after 5 pm. This is the only place near Coimbatore where you find a nice enchanting waterfall. The only way to reach this beautiful tourist attraction is via a short trek. Since the rural roads are craggy, the visitors have to board the bus or cab at the village of Kovai and a short trek begins from that place. By walking for a couple of minutes, Kovai Kutralam Falls can be reached. In Tamil Nadu everyone loves to take bath in waterfalls, so when I heard Kovai Kutralam I thought this is just another tourist spot in Tamil Nadu. Kovai Kutralam Falls catches the attention of many people, especially the adventure lovers. The best time to visit this waterfall is during March to October. Excellent getaway, so close to the city of Coimbatore, yet so secluded and not so well known. The tourism department's arrangements are exemplary. No plastics, water, food, beverages, oil, shampoo ban. Vehicle entry beyond the checkpost is not permitted and visitors are transported into the forest area where the falls is situated. From the drop-off point, a scenic walk to the falls, or separate bathing areas, changing rooms, and toilets for men and women have been provided for. I visit Coimbatore every summer because my family lives there, but this was the first time I went to Kovai Kutralam. It was definitely worth visiting. The water is ice cold and fresh, and after getting wet you can dry off on the warm rocks. It is a short walk to get to the falls, but the trail is really beautiful. Many photo opportunities everywhere. There are lots of monkeys at the falls, and they don't mind coming pretty close to people, so be careful with your belongings. Blessed with a pleasant and cool atmosphere with the melodious sound of the waterfall and chirping of birds in it, the place feels fresh and lively in every sense of the word. Therefore, Kovai Kutralam waterfall is rightfully termed as a perfect destination for tourists who are looking for a peace of mind. Kovai Kutralam, also known as Siruvani Water, falls to world's second sweetest water, best place to go with family and friends, located at forest, and best place for weekends plans. Kovai Kutralama is an excellent picnic spot near the Coimbatore city. Kovai Kutralam is a mind-soothing place with silver-flowing waterfalls at Siruvani. The tourist can even enjoy the beauty of the foliage in and around here Kovai Kutralam Falls. The place is ideal for picnic and short outings. The waterfall is in the deepest part of the impenetrable woods, and due to this reason, visitors are not allowed to visit the falls after 5 p.m. The place is an amazing treat to one's eyes. The serenity and calm atmosphere makes anyone feel godlike. The entry fee into Kovai is very nominal, ranging from 20 rupees for kids up to 12 years of age and rupees 50 for the adults post 12 years. For photographers carrying cameras, a minimal charge of rupees 50 will also be charged. A beautiful gift of nature, this waterfall is surrounded by a sprawling forest cover which is home to a great variety of flora. The beautiful lush green topography of the Kovai Kutralam Falls provides it with a perfect ambience. Owing to this, the pristine falls are amongst the top tourist attractions in Coimbatore. In order to reach the beautiful Kutralam Falls, one has to pass through 2 checkposts. As the waterfall is located amidst a protected forest area, vehicles are not allowed post first checkpoint. Thus, one has to walk his way through the dense forest to reach the second post and then finally the waterfall.